much for watching this video. Hope you guys are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this mini cute notebooks, and these are really small. I'm not kidding, as you can see in this video, and these are super cute as well. So I hope you like this video. So let's get started with the video. So firstly, you need 2 rectangular sheets and some rectangular paper sheets as well for inside pages. And now what you have to do, just measure the gap where you have to make holes. Take a needle and make 3 holes. The same thing I'm going to do with the back cover as well, measuring the gap and just making holes. And guys, make sure that the pages you are taking for the inside of this notebooks should be smaller than your cover size. You have to repeat the process. And now here I have some jumping rings. Now insert it one by one. And now the fun part is I'm going to create some really cute faces. So here I am using acrylic paint. If you want to use here your markers, so please go ahead. Just do the same thing that I'm showing you in the video. And the second one is this cute emoji. And this is my favorite emoji as well. Just be creative with them as much as you want. And the third one is here. I'm making cloud in the bottom and making a rainbow. Make sure you give it proper time to dry. Firstly, if you don't want to mess up, so please firstly draw it with a pencil and then use acrylic paint. I think all the boys out there are definitely going to love this one. So this is how our cutie is looking. I really hope you like this video. If you did, so make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel guys for more videos, and I'll see you soon with the next interesting topic. Until you stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.